The sun is setting on a lovely Japanese evening here in the heart of Tokyo. And we are about to go play like samurais and ninjas. So we have come to the Samurai and Ninja Museum located in Asakusa in Tokyo to learn and experience what it's like to be samurais. When we arrived, it was all a bit manic as the previous group was still putting on their costume, so we just waited around until it was our turn. What do we do? As part of the experience, you are dressed in a mock-up outfit of a samurai, given a foam body armour and a wooden sword, and they take your pictures. It's a bit silly, but it's a good laugh.
Alright, so now let's put the samurai costume on. Okay? So I want you to choose your armor here, red or black? Oh, we'll let the black color for now. Yeah,
Black it is.
Yeah. Alright, now put your arms in there, please. Yes. Right here too. Yes. Alright, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Alright, now you guys put the clip on the back side here.
That's an authentic era clip, yeah? Yeah, of course.
Right, now you guys put the flash on the belly here.
Do you feel dangerous? Do you feel stupid?
Alright, now please pick a helmet here.
Pick a helmet. Oh, right. Which one do you want? They're pretty much identical. Okay, you can have the better one. Oh shit, that's heavy though. That's heavy. Do you want me to get it for you? Huh? Put in my bum. Heavy. Heavy?
Heavy, really?
Really heavy.
Alright, now you guys please pick a sword. Any one you like.
This one's nice and sweet.
Right, just right here.
This is super sharp, alright? As you can see, super sharp. Yeah? Got it cool?
Yeah.
What's up?
Alright, let's get serious.
Right, samurai dress up, complete, feeling like a plonker, complete. Heading upstairs for the history tour now. I think we're a bit early. We just wait here, I guess, do we? 430 years ago. That blade is 430 years old. That's pretty cool. Well, that's a cool one, I like that. 730 years old. These go for thousands as well. Look at the size of this one. $162 years old.
Alright, thank you very much. My name is Akira. Okay? Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, so now let's start the Japanese history tour. This is shark skin or manta ray skin. Have you guys touched a shark skin? It's really rough. So samurai use this kind of material to avoid slipping. Okay?
The guide talked to us about creation of the samurai, which was essentially created by the emperor at the time. He employed 4 clans to be his protectors. The clans then fought each other until there was only one. Then they became the shogun. A shogun is essentially the prime minister of Japan, with the emperor being more like the king, just a figurehead. He then took us to see some genuine samurai armor and talked all about why they were how they were, like how the masks had facial hair. This is because a lot of samurai were as young as 12 when they joined, and they didn't want the enemy to know. So they'd stick on mustaches to make them look scary and older. I thought it was 2, but it's just a mirror. I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah.
This is a samurai official costume during Edo period. Right now, how come he has a strange hairstyle like this? Why? Because the barber was kind of clumsy? Why is that? Right? Yeah, actually samurai use this part as a cushion for the helmet. So samurai grow his hair long and kind of itchy and sweaty right here on the top. So samurai shave off right here, and then they make a knot like this, and they use this part as a cushion for the helmet. Yeah, this is a story about the 47 Ronins. Japanese people love this kind of story, right? And this is a true story. Okay, so this is the judge. Judge, he was really bad. He was really mean. And this is daimyo. Daimyo, he was really good guy. And this judge kept bullying on daimyo. So one day daimyo got really angry. Then daimyo cut the judge in Edo Castle. But drawing sword in Edo Castle is really disrespectful to the shogun. Shogun asked him to cut his belly. Now he's dead. And his 47 men that became 47 Ronin. They got furious. Then they found a judge's place and chop off judge's head.
We then moved on to the next room, where we were told all about ninjas from their origins to their purpose, including all the weapons they use, and the different techniques. And then it was time to throw a ninja star, or as they called it, a shuriken.
Some of the time ninjas dress like a farmers, fishermen. But sometimes ninja dress up like this guy right here. You guys know who he is? Alright, yeah, he's a monk. Yeah. Why ninja dress up like a monk sometimes? Why?
Blend in.
Okay, blend in, yes. This guy's hiding his identification, peaceful, trustworthy. And also, monk, he can go anywhere he wants without any permission. That's why ninja dress up like a monk sometimes. This is kunai. Farmer use this when they make holes on the ground, like this. And then they put the seed into the hole. That's ninja's weapon. They tie a rope at the end. That's what the target. And they put it up. Or ninja holding clay like this. When they climb up on the castle wall, they go climb up like this. Right? And then you guys notice it has a square handguard. And then pointy end. Right? So ninja goes stop on the ground like this. And they use this square handguard as a step to get over the castle wall. But later on, ninja use these rings, they put it up. Okay? Anyone know how to call this in Japanese?
Shuriken.
Shuriken? Wow, thank you very much. Alright. So now you guys ready to throw ninja star, right? Shuriken. Right. Sorry, this is not the real one. Right, metal plastic, but still dangerous. So please follow my instructions. Okay? Thank you. Arigato. Now, this is how you guys hold a ninja star on the edge like this, using 2 fingers. Right, and then when you guys blow, you just go on the overhead. Overhead. Since we got so many people around, no, please be slow. No trick slow. Super dangerous. Alright, so this is kind of tip. You step out, stretch your arm, aim the target, and then you slow. And then when you slow, use your wrist. It goes this way. Let it spin like this. Let it spin like this. Okay? And this is how we go. When I say 3, 2, 1, go, you guys go on the target. Then please stay where you are until I say please come pick it up. Now we're gonna have a couple practice. Later on, we're gonna have a competition. This is a number 1 ninja here. And then, alright, who is this? Is that you again? Sorry, I need a new champion. How about this one here?
That's me.
That's you? Okay. Anybody else? Got the bruise eye? No one got the bruise eye? How about, oh, sorry guys. Alright. Oh, yeah. You, the champion for this time, okay? So put your time together. Alright, so now, 2, 1, go! Alright, thank you guys. Please pick it up. Arigato.
Wait, I get a picture of Cat and my
After our throw, it was a quick walk around the gift shop where if you write a review, you get a free shuriken. Okay, it's plastic, but it's still pretty cool.
That was a samurai experience at Asakusa in Tokyo, and it was pretty good. 15 quid each. You got to throw and style, told you all about the history of samurais and ninjas.
Dress up.
Would you recommend?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're probably going to be going to Asakusa anyway if you're in Tokyo. And it's right by the Asakusa temple. So book online before you go. Use the code SMILE to get a discount.
That's not our code either.
No, it's not affiliate. It's just, I wish it was. And yeah, our guide Akira was really cool actually. Informative, funny, kept us engaged the whole time. It takes about just over an hour to do. That was good.
Good stuff.